You guys, I'm using my Shepapa set. It's a whitening set. Cool. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Peggy. I am so happy to have you guys today. So without wasting your time, I want to review this product, Dr. Rashel. This product is actually very common almost everywhere, and I have few clients that ask me to review this product. I sell this product. I sell almost 3 of their products, like the sets like this. I sell the 24K gold, and then the Dr. Rashel, the whitening set kits like this. That one is white and pink. Okay, so for today I'll be talking about this Dr. Rashel. Is it worth it? Let's see. Okay, so this is Dr. Rashel vitamin C. Okay, it's a brightening anti-aging vitamin C. It's a skin series set, contains 5 products in it. So I'll be reviewing this product to you and how I feel about it, or how I feel it works on the skin. So this is how it is. Okay, it contains 5 series. It contains the cleanser, facial cleanser. It contains essence toner. It contains cleansing milk. It contains vitamin C serum and the first moisturizer. Okay, let me first talk about this one. So let me first talk about this one. This facial cleanser. Here, okay, I'm going to read out. This is Dr. Rashel facial cleanser. It refreshes and restores skin to natural, vibrant, and clarity with powerful vitamin C, a boost of antioxidants, repair and protect from the environment damage, blah 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 blah. Basically, it contains hyaluronic acid, made with good ingredients to cleanse your face. Okay, so as you've seen, this product contains, if you're using this set, you need to do double cleansing. Double cleansing method. So this is one of the cleanser they have. I've used this product, and I will say it's, if you're this type that you're big on smell, this product is mixed citrus, mild kind of, and it's not really that strong. For the brightening parts, yeah, it glows the skin. For the whitening parts, I would say no. Of course, I've used so many cleanser which I can give it, rate it higher than this. So far, Dr. Rashel, they're trying. So these products can be used in the daytime. If you're this type that cannot move without using products on your skin, you can use this product in the daytime. It's actually it's excellent. Okay, so I just got back from the store. I'm super tired. So what's the time now? This is 11:06. Okay, so I needed to make this review before I go to bed. I just took my bed, and I've used the products, my skincare, and I've used my skincare products for the night. Like I told you guys, I'm using my Shepapa set. It's a whitening set. So you love my skin. If you love my skin, please, the comment section is open for you, so feel free to get there and tell me how I look. So the next of its products we'll talk about is the vitamin C essence toner. Okay, let me read it out. Okay, so this is antioxidant whitening facial pores minimizing toner. Does it whiten? I don't think so. I'm not sure. I've actually not really seen the whitening part of this. Truthfully, I've actually not seen the whitening part of this product, but so far it's actually very good. It glows the skin, give you this, makes your skin hydrated and nice. So let's read it out. The best vitamin C facial toner guaranteed. Our powerful vitamin C toner helps to protect your skin from antioxidants, free radicals, and can help sunburn damaged skin. Anti-aging rejuvenator is packed full of natural and organic ingredients, which helps your skin to look and feel soft, youthful, and vibrant the first time you use it. Nice. Okay, it contains niacinamide, and it's very nice on the skin. Nice one. I love how it feels on the skin. I love the feel of it. It's actually very nice on the skin. The toner, very mild. If you're this big on smell, I don't like fragrance in my facial products. It's nice. The next product I'll talk about is the vitamin C cleansing milk. I love this. I can't lie. Though they are good products, better than this, but so far I like it. I love the way it feels on my skin. It makes, if you use this, it's going to cleanse you very deeply. If you're having makeup on your skin or you just want to cleanse your face, it's actually very good. So let's read it. Okay, this is the brightening skin tone, stimulates cellular renewal. Okay, the benefits: this stable potent vitamin C boosts for all skin types, encourages collagen production, brightens the skin tone, and stimulates cellular renewal. It is designed to make the skin feel and look young. Contains niacinamide as well. How to use this, simple. Maybe I'll make another video on how to use this product. I've already taken care of my skin for the night. I did my exfoliation because I exfoliate twice in a week. Okay, today is Friday. I've done my exfoliation today. I'll still run it through another one on Sunday. So I'm done with my skincare night routine already. So maybe I'll make a video on how to use this product. So that is it for this cleansing milk. All right, so the next product I will show you guys, I'm sure most of you are familiar with, is this vitamin C serum. Well, this vitamin C serum, truthfully, it doesn't feel good on my skin when I use this. Different skin type, what is good for you might be bad for me. So for me, I don't really like how this feels on my face. It breaks me down big time when I use Dr. Rashel vitamin C. So I always use my own vitamin C that I make, which contains hyaluronic acid. It contains nice ingredients in it. My own vitamin C, I made it suitable for my skin and also my clients. Okay, so it contains my own vitamin C. Doesn't break me out. It brightens me big time, and it feels so good on my skin. But this Dr. Rashel vitamin C, I'm not sure it likes almost everyone. You can drop your comments, let me know how this feels on your face. For me, doesn't feel right on my face. I'm sorry. That's my candid review about Dr. Rashel vitamin C. Okay, so let's go to the next product in this set. So here is the vitamin C face cream. This contains hyaluronic acid. Actually very nice. This face cream, I love it. The way it's sinking deep into your skin, moisturizes your face, leaving it so nice. I love this. I love what they have. Two of these products. They have the one with hyaluronic acid, which is deep moisturizing. It leaves your face hydrated, and they have the one with niacinamide. Okay, that one is not that really moisturizing. The one with niacinamide doesn't hydrate the face as this one with hyaluronic acid. So I love this product. Okay, you can run this through during the daytime if you're going out. Very nice. Or nighttime, if you have deep makeup and you want to cleanse, do double cleansing, you're going to use your cleansing milk. Okay, the Dr. Rashel cleansing milk that I show you guys. You cleanse your face, wash your face, and use the cleanser, which I showed you in the tube. Wash your face and then pat your face dry. Use your toner, let it wait for a while, and then use your vitamin C serum, wait a while, then use your moisturizing face cream and wait. If you want to use your sunscreen, fine by you. That is your night routine. Daytime, you can use your sunscreen, very important, after using everything. Since you've done your double cleansing, your pores is open, it is very important to use your sunscreen. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I want you to please share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. It is free of charge. Until then, see you some other time. And also, before I forget, drop your comments. Let me know what you want me to talk about or review. All right. Bye, guys.